I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change the mouse scroll direction on macOS. Step 1. Click to open the System Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then click Trackpad. Step 3. Click to select Scroll and Zoom in the Trackpad menu. Step 4. Click to toggle off Natural Scrolling. This will reverse the direction your mouse scrolls on your Mac and make your mouse scroll more like on a Windows computer. You can toggle natural scrolling back on at any time to change the direction back to the default. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.